Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm TCJ and I want to make computers less intimidating. In our last video, we talked about ways to save data on your Android device and Windows device by turning off auto updates settings on these devices. So in this video, we are going to talk about both ways to save data on your Android, save battery life, and also manage a little bit of your privacy on your Android. So on your Android phone, the first thing you have to do is you go to the menu and choose settings. Actually, most of the things we are going to be doing in this video will be done here in the settings, so there's no need to leave settings. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Yours might be a little bit different, but in general you see the settings I'm about to list to. So you scroll way down and search for, or you could just type here up there and search for software updates. This is software updates here. Just like in the last video, you have the option to turn it off and on. You turn it off for that one. So when you turn it off, what it does is it shows you when there's an update for the Android OS. It shows you a message about the update, and you get to choose whether you want to update immediately or try again later. Here is download and checking for updates. Yeah, as you can see, I have a pending update, 878 MB. So if I were using a Wi-Fi auto update settings, it would have downloaded it automatically, but now it shows me and I choose later, or whenever I want to download it I can download. So I'll choose later for now. Good. Now you go back to the settings and choose connections. It should be on top. On some other devices you could see network settings. Well, here it's called connections. So we'll go straight into connections. Now we choose data usage. Here, what we're about to do now is we want to turn on data saver. Now you see data saver option here at the top. As you can see, it's already off for now. Now what this does is data saver helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. This will actually boost your battery life well if you choose to turn the settings on. So I'm choosing to turn it on. But if you have specific apps that you don't mind them using your data in the background, maybe you're expecting messages from, say, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, now you can go to allowed to use data while data saver is on. These are the settings, the exceptions. You can click on it, then you choose the particular app you want to be able to use your data even when your screen is off. So like Facebook, for instance, you take it, you choose the app, and then when you're done choosing the apps you want to allow to use your data in the background, you go back, and that's it. Data saver is on. Scanning, nearby device scanning. So for that we have to go down to back to the connection settings as well. Yeah, connections, more connection settings down here. Choose more connection settings. Nearby device scanning. You turn this off because it constantly uses your battery life scanning for other devices. You have to turn this nearby device scanning off. Good. Now for the next settings, more on privacy actually and battery life too. So we go to location. Still in the settings menu, you go to location. Yeah. Improve accuracy. So Wi-Fi scanning. Let app use Wi-Fi for accurate location detection, even when Wi-Fi is off. Damn. So if I switch my Wi-Fi off, you still use it to scan for more accurate locations. For now, I'll switch it off because I don't want my Wi-Fi being constantly in use. The right, so I'm turning them off. Sorry, go. So still on the location page, when you turn the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning off, you go back and choose location history. Yes, take a little bit time to do it. Okay. Basically what this does is Google keeps history of your locations. So for example, you went to the bar that you didn't want anyone knowing you went there yesterday, maybe last night. Google saves this location as you've been there last night. It keeps it in the history. So you went to a strip club or something, it keeps track of your location, not just keeping track, it keeps the histories. Like when someone has access to your Google account, they can easily check out where you've been, where you go mostly. So that's just too private. I'm turning it off. Pause location history. Pause. Sorry, Google. Yeah, settings is switched off. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the last settings we want to adjust. This is not mandatory, but speaking of Google, I want to make sure so you go back to the settings and choose Google. Now choose ads. So the first thing listed up there is opt out of ads personalization. So basically, Google writes down or keeps down records of the things you like. Like if you watch a lot of YouTube videos on comedy, they save it. If you buy things from an online store, Jumia, Amazon, they save the informations and use these informations to refer adverts that will be similar to things you are interested in. So like without them paying you, they use your information to refer you to adverts that might interest you. So come on, if you want to use my information, you have to pay for me or sell for me at least. So we off this, we have to opt out. So these are settings that you actually have to turn on to turn off. Opt out of interest based ads. So okay, and then it's turned off. Go, I'm sorry, so sorry. So data. So if you enjoyed this video or if it helped you in any way, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on